Welcome back to my channel. I am working on my minimalist bullet journal for November, and my main bullet journal I chose some pretty neutral colors. So for this bullet journal I really wanted to do a lot of color. I know it's fall and it's not summer, so technically I should be doing leaves and cozy things like sweaters and hot chocolate, but I've been craving lemons a lot lately. I put lemon in everything. I made a lemon cheesecake, I've been eating lemon sugar cookies, and drinking lots of lemon water, so I really wanted to do lemons as my theme. If you're a beginner bullet journal, this spread is super easy to do and pretty quick. I'm using this for my video planning and my blogging planning, but you can use this pretty much for whatever you want to use it for. This is my monthly spread, and I absolutely love it. It just makes it so much easier than drawing out a calendar for the month. So I use this to plan out when I'm going to do my videos and my blog posts. So I chose a word for this month, and it's productive, which I know Thanksgiving's right around the corner, so technically it should be holiday as my word, but maybe I'll do that for December. So this page I'm using just to make a list of videos that I'm going to do for the month, and then the tasks, the specific tasks it will take to get those videos done. Here's my weekly view. I started drawing these lemons in the middle of the page, and then I really wasn't sure why I did that, so I kind of made a little tasks for next week box, and I'm still not sure if I'll actually use it. To do the honeycomb pattern, you need a hexagon shape that you can trace to make a pattern across the page. Go back and color a few in, draw some pictures, and I love how easy and simple this is to do, and I love how the design turns out. As the month goes, I will write down the highlights of what I finish, so kind of like I finished something, highlight. I don't know, that's what I think I'm going to use it for anyway. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.